Today's video is about the forms in Google. With Google Forms, you can create and analyze surveys right in your mobile or web browser. No special software required. You get instant results as they come in. And you can summarize survey results at a glance with chart and graphs. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make use of the Google Forms to make your forms and surveys easier. So for that, just go to your Google account. Just log in with your Google account, and from there just click on this right corner, the Google Apps. From here go down, scroll down, then click on Forms. Here it will take you to the Forms page. From here you can have a variety of templates from where you can use based on your form needs. If you click on this template gallery, you'll get a list of templates here based on various topics. So either you can choose one of them and customize it, or you can create a form by your own. For that, just click on this blank. Now here you will get the whole settings from where you can create a survey forms or questionnaire. You can take a tour of how this form works. If you click on the take tour, it will take to the section from where you will get to know about how to create form in Google Forms, or you can skip that. From here I'll show you a sample of how you can create a form. So I created a form here. I'm going to send via email. So if you want to share it in Facebook, you can do it from here, or Twitter. And if you want to collect the emails, then click on the collect emails and click on send. Save. You can use Google Forms plus SMS by Zapper plus Act integrations is possible. You don't require any coding or expertise in that. You can do that. I'll show you that in my coming video, how you can integrate Google Forms plus SMS by Zapper and Act. So that's all about your Google new form. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.